Greetings, people of the internet. Today I will review this little beauty. Yes, the Korg microKEY. And this one exists in 3 different versions, 3 different lengths. This one is the 37 key, and you also have one with 25 keys and one with 61 keys. Now I wanted something that was little and sturdy and had just exactly what I needed, and this was just perfect, you know. So this cost like just under 80 bucks, and as you can see, it has the wheels you need. Come on, zoom. One for the pitch. Wow, wow, whoa, whoa. And you got one to modify the sound. And you have octave shifts here, so you can go deeper sound and then higher sound, well, higher octave. And what I really like about this was this: 2 USB inputs plus 1 for the power. And these are really handy, you know, because this is like getting a USB hub included. So if you got a PC or a Mac with, you know, not a lot of USB inputs, then that will be great. So for example, for me, I'm using Cubase to create music, also Reason, but mainly Cubase nowadays. And Cubase uses this little, you know, software key. So having the software key connected to this one is perfect, because then it's like the software doesn't really take up any space on my PC. So what I do, let's see. Yeah, I haven't really planned this, but whatever. So I stick this in here, bloop, like that. Can you see? Yes. And then I take the last one I use for my wireless mouse. Put this in here. In here, right way please. Boop, like that. So now Cubase and the mouse is run perfectly. And then I just simply put this in, connect it, bow, like that. Okay, I should really that's okay. So as you can see, it doesn't really take that much space on the desk. It's really tiny and good. And also the keys on this one is, okay, I'll take it out again. The keys are really nice, you know. They're kinda big. It's a little keyboard, but the keys feel almost like real piano keys. Not really real piano keys, but better than a lot of other, you know, keyboards out there. For example, for many years I used, this is also Korg. This is the micro control. I could probably do a review of this one as well. As you can see, it has a lot more functionality, but the keys are just, you know, small little, feels cheap. Well, don't get me wrong, this is really great. I used this for 8 years or something until I felt like I had to get something else, because as you can see, stuff has fallen off and whatever, yeah. But compared You can see this little microKORG has, its keys are a lot thicker and it feels a lot better to play this. So unless you need lots of, you know, stuff to move and change the sound, you know, you can do all of these things in your software anyway. So if you're only gonna play, then the keys on this is really great. So I'm gonna put it in again and we can take a look at, yeah, Cubase for example. So I'm gonna connect Fraps to make sure you can see my screen. It's F9, isn't it? Yes. So Cubase, there you are. While we wait, when you buy this, you will also get this. Oh, I need to have that screen so I can see what I'm doing. You get more software. That is, you get software at all. So if you have nothing, then you can still get this. So this is, it will give you, actually I have found this page so you can see here. You will get different synths. For example, the M1 LE, LA, I don't know how you really pronounce that, which is really good. And the Korg Legacy Collection, but you will only get this for the microKEY 61 keys. But yeah, M1, you get the Easy Drummer lights, a discount for Ableton Live 9, and Ableton is awesome. You get the Lounge Lizard Session, Applied Acoustic System, the Ultra Analog Session, the Strum Acoustic Session, and Reason Limited, which is great, you know, if you don't have any software and just want to get in there and start playing. And you also get the Digital Sensations. So I can show you, I haven't downloaded all of this, but I can show you Digital Sensations and the M1 LE. So let's bring up Cubase. I'll just do like this and really I'm just gonna take a new project, create. So you will find that it's really easy to install this. Most likely your software will just find it right off the bat, so you won't have to do anything really. And then when you have installed the packages you get, you can just add instrument rack. You do have to sign up for different, you know, you have to sign up to get this, and you have to sign up to get Digital Sensations, but you know, it's worth it because they're really great. So here we got, to get the Digital Sensations, you will have to install something called the UV Workstation, which is the workstation for all of the synths and kind of plugins that I guess UV creates. So sound banks, no, I have this here, I guess. Complete, here we go. So you get all of these packages, which is filled with different things. I don't know, Funky 5. You can see That was a really lame sound right now. House lead. Bass, clavy bass. So of course you can change all the sounds here, do whatever you want with it. So yeah, that's really funny. And we can check out the M1. I feel this one has a lot of classic sounds. Like when I had keyboards when I was little and they were like a complete package in themselves, I had sounds that really resemble this M1. Space Race. Some crazy sounds. So yeah, I don't know. Something more to say other than that it's awesome? Probably not. Probably not. Whoops. I would really like to recommend this to anyone who wants just a little nice, compact, solid keyboard. You can just put it in your backpack with your laptop and you can just go anywhere, you know, plug in your headset and just sit there and play. It does not need any external power source or anything. So yeah, awesome.